My name's Nicole Bassett. I'm one of the co-founders of the Renewal Workshop. The OIB loan came at a really crucial time for us as a business because we were needed a way to get access to some capital as a stopgap as we were raising more funding. And it was a really odd situation, and we needed to have money that we really couldn't get from anywhere else. So it wasn't something a bank was going to loan us. It was too short notice for an investor. And so we reached out to McKed and got introduced to OIB. Put in an application, and it worked really well for us. So we use the OIB loan specifically for payroll and keeping operations going so that we could move the business into another level of growth. The way you get told by people who don't really know investment and capital and things like that is like you go to a bank or you have rich friends. And so if you're starting a business and you've got a really good idea and you're very thoughtful in your financials and your plan and all of that, go reach out to McKed, reach out to OIB, reach out to Business Oregon or the Small Business Development Center. There are way more resources than you would ever know, and I didn't know, and it took a long time to go research that. So if I learned anything, go network, meet people, ask questions, but those are some great resources for you.